Winter. A time for cozy nights, snow angels, and maybe even a snowball fight. It's a season that brings people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. We usually have some idea of what to expect. The familiar chill in the air, the crunch of snow underfoot, and the serene beauty of a winter wonderland. Some winters are colder and snowier, others milder and wetter. Each winter has its own character, shaped by the unique interplay of weather patterns. But this winter, something seems different. The weather is unpredictable, shifting from one extreme to another without warning. The weather is full of surprises. What's going on? Why are we experiencing such unusual conditions? Scientists point to a familiar culprit, El Niño. This climate phenomenon has a significant impact on global weather patterns. El Niño is a climate pattern that starts in the Pacific Ocean. It involves the warming of ocean surface temperatures, which can disrupt normal weather patterns. It can change weather all over the world. From increased rainfall in some regions to droughts in others, El Niño's effects are far-reaching. Understanding El Niño is key to unraveling this winter's strange weather. By studying this phenomenon, scientists can better predict and prepare for its impacts. These changes are a reminder that our planet's climate is complex and interconnected. Every shift in one part of the world can have ripple effects elsewhere. Like a giant puzzle, each piece plays a role in the bigger picture. Understanding how these pieces fit together helps us make sense of the whole. As we delve deeper into this winter's unusual weather, we'll explore the fascinating world of El Niño and its impact on our planet. Join us as we uncover the mysteries behind this climate phenomenon and its far-reaching effects. El Niño is a Spanish term that means the little boy. It's a name that might sound innocent, but its effects are far from small. It refers to a significant warming of the surface water in the tropical Pacific Ocean, a phenomenon that can have widespread consequences. This warming happens every few years, disrupting the usual climate patterns we expect. It might sound small, but El Niño has a big impact on weather patterns across the globe. Imagine a giant pool of water, vast and seemingly calm. Now picture someone turning up the heat in one corner of this enormous pool. The warmth starts to spread, affecting the entire body of water. That's kind of what El Niño does to the Pacific Ocean. It initiates a chain reaction that alters the ocean's temperature and currents. This change in temperature disrupts the normal flow of air and moisture, creating a ripple effect that impacts weather thousands of miles away. The atmosphere responds to these changes, leading to unusual weather patterns. From severe droughts to intense floods, El Niño can bring both blessings and challenges to different parts of the world. Some regions may experience much-needed rain, while others suffer from extreme dryness. For scientists, it's a fascinating phenomenon to study, offering valuable insights into the intricate workings of our planet's climate system. Understanding El Niño helps us predict and prepare for its impacts, making it a crucial area of research. In North America, El Niño usually brings wetter and cooler conditions to the southern states. Think of California, Texas, and Florida. These areas often see more rain and even some snow. Meanwhile, the northern US and Canada often experience milder winters during El Niño years. This means less snow and warmer temperatures than usual. Think of Seattle, Chicago, and New York City. These are just general patterns, of course. Local weather can vary, but El Niño usually follows this script, influencing winter weather across North America in a predictable way. This year, however, the script seems to have changed. Meteorologists are seeing something different, something that doesn't quite fit the usual El Niño pattern. It's like the actors are improvising on stage. Some regions are experiencing the opposite of what El Niño typically brings. Others are seeing more extreme weather events, such as intense storms and heavy snowfall. This unexpected turn of events has scientists scratching their heads. What's causing this deviation from the norm? Is El Niño behaving differently this year, or are other factors at play? These are just some of the questions that meteorologists are eager to answer. Weather is a complex system, influenced by countless variables. While El Niño plays a significant role, it's not the only factor determining our winter weather. Other climate patterns, such as the Arctic Oscillation and the North Atlantic Oscillation, also come into play. Imagine a group of dancers, each with their unique style and rhythm. That's kind of how different climate patterns interact. Sometimes they move in sync, creating predictable weather patterns. Other times their movements clash, leading to unexpected and sometimes extreme conditions. This year it seems like the dance of weather is particularly intricate. with multiple patterns influencing each other in complex ways. This makes it challenging for meteorologists to predict exactly how the winter will unfold. Section 6. A shifting climate stage. The unusual weather patterns we're seeing this winter could also be a sign of a changing climate. These anomalies are becoming more frequent and more intense, raising questions about what the future holds for our seasonal expectations. As the Earth warms due to human activities, we can expect more frequent and intense extreme weather events. This includes not just warmer summers, but also unpredictable and severe winter conditions that can disrupt our daily lives. Think of it like this. Climate change is altering the stage on which the dance of weather takes place. The choreography of our seasons is being rewritten, leading to performances that are both surprising and sometimes alarming. The stage is getting warmer, the lighting is changing, and the props are shifting. This means that the familiar scenes of winter are evolving, with snow melting faster and cold snaps becoming more erratic. This inevitably affects the performance, leading to unexpected twists and turns. One day we might experience a blizzard, and the next a sudden thaw, making it difficult to predict and prepare for the weather. While it's difficult to attribute any single weather event to climate change, the long-term trend is clear. Scientists are continuously gathering data and refining models to better understand these changes. Our planet is warming, and this will continue to influence weather patterns in ways we can't fully predict. The challenge lies in adapting to these changes and mitigating their impact on our environment and society. Section 7. The importance of weather awareness. Understanding these complex weather patterns is crucial, especially in a changing climate. By staying informed about El Niño, other climate patterns, and the potential impacts of climate change, we can better prepare for whatever Mother Nature throws our way. Imagine you're about to embark on a journey. Before you set off, you'd check the weather forecast, right? Similarly, understanding climate patterns helps us anticipate potential challenges and make informed decisions about our lives. Whether it's preparing for a winter storm, conserving water during a drought, or simply understanding the forces shaping our planet, weather awareness is essential for navigating our changing world. Section 8. Tools for navigating the atmospheric seas. Thankfully, we have more tools than ever to navigate the complexities of weather and climate. From sophisticated satellites to advanced computer models, scientists are constantly improving our ability to monitor, predict, and understand these phenomena. Think of these tools as the instruments on a ship, helping us chart a course through the turbulent seas of the atmosphere. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shape our planet and our lives. These advancements in weather forecasting and climate modeling are vital for mitigating the impacts of extreme weather events, informing policy decisions, and ensuring the well-being of communities worldwide. Section 9. The never-ending story of weather. This winter's unusual weather patterns serve as a reminder that our planet's climate is a dynamic and ever-evolving system. As we continue to learn more about El Niño, other climate patterns, and the impacts of climate change, we can expect even more surprises in the years to come. The story of weather is a never-ending saga, full of twists, turns, and unexpected plot lines. By embracing curiosity, supporting scientific research, and staying informed, we can become more resilient in the face of a changing climate and continue to unravel the mysteries of our planet's atmosphere. After all, the more we understand about our planet, the better equipped we are to protect it and ourselves.